Hey, this is James Pelton. Want to bring to you another passive income NFT idea. This is the Amazon Influencer Program. And basically what you're doing is you're making review videos of different Amazon products, and then you're uploading them to Amazon. Amazon puts them on the product pages. And if anyone watches your video, your product review on that product, and then ends up buying, you get an Amazon affiliate commission from this. So this is kind of a newer program. It's a unique way to make money on Amazon. Anyone can do this on their own. You don't need to buy anything or anything like that. You can just go start making review videos and uploading them. But what you'll find is it actually is a pretty difficult process. It's a difficult process getting it all set up. It's a difficult process knowing which products are worth making the review videos for. And it can be a significant time investment actually recording the videos and getting them uploaded and things like that. So I've partnered with a company. It's called Profitable Products. His name is Kyle. He's a great guy, and we've been just kind of working on getting this business up off the ground a little bit. He's got a couple options for helping streamline this process for people. So first option is he has a done with you program where it's basically a training course, and then they'll coach you through, when you have questions or when you get stuck, they'll walk you step by step through the process. You do all the work. They help coach you, and that's $4,000 to get started with that. They also have a done for you option, which is you don't do anything. There's a little bit of work when you get set up, creating your account, things like that. They find all the products, they do all the reviews, they upload them. That costs $25,000. I am part of that done for you program and just kind of want to show you how it's been doing so far. They've uploaded hundreds of videos. Again, this would have taken me a very long time to get all of these added in. So in April, I started getting the store set up, made 319 in April, made 965 in May, made 1,130 in June. And the goal is to make 5K a month within 6 months. So that's kind of the goal that they're going for. And we're kind of on the way there. So what I wanted to do for my community is, again, you hear 25K for the done for you option. And it's like, well, who has 25K sitting around for something like that? So as you guys know, when I'm seeing these passive income opportunities that are maybe too expensive for one person to get into, I've been kind of crowdsourcing these with NFTs. So my team put this together. Shout out to Tycho, especially for putting all the work into this. But we built an NFT collection, which is basically 50 people putting in $500. And then we'll have the 25K for a done for you store. So it mints just the same as all my other NFT projects. I have a video walking through what this is. I've done videos on this before. It's on Polygon, USDC, 500 USDC. And then we'll just end up airdropping whatever profit I make. So like this month I made, $1,200 for the month of June. I would just divide that by 50 and airdrop out to all the addresses that have an NFT. And again, the goal is 5K a month after 6 months, which would be $100 airdropped out to each person. That's a 20% return if we're able to kind of hit our goals there. So again, I'm just doing this initial batch of 50. Again, this is just kind of testing out the concept. We'll mint this out, then get the account set up and all those things and get the airdrops started. And then if it goes well, this might be something where I make a new batch each month or something like that. And we'll kind of see. We'll see where the wind takes us. So if you're interested in being part of this, AmazonReviewsNFT.com. Again, I'm an engineer. I just name things what they are. I'm not creative. But AmazonReviewsNFT.com, for now, it is USDC on Polygon. We may open it up to credit card minting. I think this will mint out pretty quickly. I think it's a great opportunity. I will say, though, that experimental. This is the very first batch. I mean, you just don't know what's going to end up happening. But the goal is after 6 months, we're able to start airdropping out $100 a month. We'll airdrop immediately. So if month one we make $400, I'll be airdropping out. What's 400 divided by 50? That'd be like $8. Not like $8. I just opened my calculator, did the math, but that'd be $8 a month. So, it might start off kind of small. You get $8 the first month. If it follows my story exactly, the first month you'd get $638. The second month you'd get about $20, and the third month you'd get about $25 or so. And then again, hopefully ramping up to that 5K a month. There's no end date for this. So again, we don't know what Amazon's going to do in the future. It looks like they're wanting to expand this program. It's making them a lot of money. You can see total, I've sold $82,000 worth of product on Amazon can be attributed to these videos that I've uploaded. So again, it's well worth it to them to keep this going, but we'll see. You know, these platforms are always changing, things like that. So there are some unknowns. But yeah, if you want to get involved, hop on in. If you have further questions, if you're wanting to just do the done with you, you're not wanting to do the NFT, but just wanting the done with you or the done for you program on your own, I'll leave a link to schedule a call with Kyle. They don't even have a website, but it's just schedule a call, talk through it, see if you're a good fit. Also, you're welcome to try this on your own. Like, you can just go sign up for the Amazon Associates, the affiliate program, and you can get started on your own. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, what you think about this. If you want me to, I'm thinking about taking a break from new NFTs for a while. I understand funds are limited. We don't, just have millions of dollars sitting around. So I might take a short break from new NFTs for a while just to get the few that, just to get like the Flux nodes and the Amazon store and this one really ramped up and going. But let me know in the comments what you think. Please hit like, please subscribe. Appreciate all you guys and hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.